Guava leaf tea has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine due to its impressive range of health benefits. This natural superfood is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, potassium, and vitamins C and B, making it a powerhouse for overall well-being. In this video, we explore 11 science-backed benefits of drinking guava leaf tea, ranging from heart health support and weight loss assistance to cognitive enhancement and immune system strengthening. Additionally, you'll learn how to incorporate guava leaves into your diet, along with expert advice on potential side effects and safety considerations. Why guava leaf tea is a superfood. Guava leaves contain antioxidants, polyphenols, flavonoids, and essential vitamins that contribute to numerous health benefits. The tea derived from these leaves is not only a delicious and soothing beverage but also a potent natural remedy for various health concerns. 11 amazing health benefits of guava leaf tea. Supports heart health. Guava leaf tea helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while promoting HDL, good cholesterol, levels. This reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, and strokes. The anti-inflammatory properties in guava leaves further support blood circulation and overall heart function. Boosts brain function. Rich in vitamins B3, niacin, and B6, pyridoxine, guava leaves enhance cognitive function, memory, and nerve health. These vitamins improve blood flow to the brain, supporting mental clarity, focus, and overall brain performance. Aids in weight loss. Guava leaf tea helps in natural weight management by suppressing appetite, inhibiting carbohydrate absorption, boosting metabolism, reducing fat accumulation. For individuals looking for a natural weight loss aid, guava leaf tea can be a game-changer when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Strengthens the immune system. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, guava leaves boost the body's natural defense mechanisms. They help fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and strengthen immunity, making it a perfect addition to a wellness routine, especially during flu season. Improves digestive health. Guava leaves contain antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds that aid digestion. Drinking guava leaf tea can help with relieving bloating and constipation, preventing diarrhea and foodborne illnesses, soothing an upset stomach, promotes glowing skin and hair growth. The antioxidants and vitamins in guava leaves promote skin elasticity, fight acne, and reduce signs of aging. When applied topically, guava leaf extract can strengthen hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and stimulate hair growth. Regulates blood sugar levels, great for diabetics. Studies suggest that guava leaf tea helps lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes that convert carbohydrates into glucose. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for diabetes management and blood sugar control. Reduces stress and enhances sleep quality. Guava leaves contain stress-reducing compounds that promote relaxation. Drinking a warm cup of guava leaf tea before bed can calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. Eases menstrual pain and cramps. Guava leaf tea is a natural pain reliever that helps reduce menstrual cramps and discomfort. It works by relaxing the uterine muscles and reducing inflammation, making it a safe and effective remedy for period pain relief. Protects eye health. Rich in vitamin A, guava leaves support vision and overall eye health. Regular consumption may help prevent age-related vision loss and eye strain, especially for individuals who spend long hours on digital screens. Fights infections and reduces inflammation. Guava leaves possess antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help combat infections, wounds, and common colds. The tea's anti-inflammatory compounds can also help relieve arthritis symptoms and body pain. How to make guava leaf tea. Preparing guava leaf tea is simple and can be done at home. Ingredients: 5 to 7 fresh or dried guava leaves, 2 cups of water, optional, honey or lemon for taste. Instructions. 1. Boil water and add the guava leaves. 2. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to extract the nutrients. 3. Strain and enjoy warm for the best health benefits. Precautions and side effects. While guava leaf tea offers numerous benefits, excessive consumption may cause stomach discomfort, nausea, or allergic reactions in some individuals. If you are on medication for diabetes, blood pressure, or heart conditions, consult a healthcare provider before adding guava leaf tea to your routine. Should you try guava leaf tea? Guava leaf tea is an affordable, natural, and highly effective way to enhance health and well-being. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, lose weight, boost immunity, or support brain function, this powerful herbal tea can be an excellent addition to your daily routine. Want to learn more about natural health remedies? Subscribe and stay tuned for more expert-backed wellness insights.